आदरणीय दर्शक महानुभावहरू, हामी तपाईहरूको माझमा यी भिडियो पाठ्यक्रमहरू उपलब्ध गराउन पाउँदा ज्यादै नै हर्षित छौँ। हामीसँग स्कुलका फरक फरक कक्षाहरूका विभिन्न विषयहरूका भिडियोहरू पुरा पाठ्यक्रमसहित उपलब्ध छन् र ती भिडियोका गृह कार्य, कक्षा कार्य, क्विज र टेस्टहरू पनि उपलब्ध छन्। यी भिडियो कक्षाहरूलाई विद्यार्थीले आफ्नो आवश्यकता अनुसार ट्युसन कक्षा स्वरूप घरमै बसी अध्ययन गर्न सक्नुहुनेछ। यदि तपाईँ यी भिडियो कक्षाको बारेमा बुझ्न र प्राप्त गर्न चाहनुहुन्छ भने हामीलाई सम्पर्क गर्नुहोला। ज्योति ट्युसन सेन्टर प्राली, कोटेश्वर, काठमाडौँ। फोन नम्बर 98 62 95 70 93, 98 089 65 030। इमेल jyotitutioncenter@gmail.com।
Welcome back. You made it through day 1, and today is day 2 in class 1 English. We have new things to learn today. Are you excited? I am. We are going to do some fun things today. My name is Miss Jeannie. Can you say my name? Miss Jeannie. We have so much to learn. Are you ready to learn? We are going to learn some more about the ocean, and we're going to learn another letter and how to print it so that we can read English right. All right, so we know the ABCs. I think you do. In kindergarten, in UKG, you learned the ABCs. So now we're going to say the ABCs like this. I want you to clap for every letter. Do you know what a clap is? Good job. So we're going to go like this. A, B, C, D. Okay, let's try it again. I will clap quietly, but you can clap, but I want to hear you say it. Say the A, B, C. Are you ready? Here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Very good. That is 26 letters. Now, I have something to show you. When we start ABC, we start at the beginning. We start with A, right? It's the first letter. First letter is A. But another way we can say is start. I start here. This is the first letter. But another word is begin. Let's begin. That means let's start. Okay? So when we go to the beginning, we are going to the first letter of the alphabet. So now, you know how to say the ABCs forwards. Let's try it backwards. Can you say the ABCs backwards? Let's try it. Z, Y, X, W, V, U, T, S, R, Q, P, O, N, M, L, K, J, I, H, G, F, E, D, C, B, A. Now we did it backwards and you did fine. So that tells me we know the ABCs. Doesn't that tell you that too? Very good. That means we can move on and do more harder things and we can learn some new things. Now, when we say the ABCs, we say them in order. right? We go A, B, C. Now, the word before means there's something missing before. Can you tell me what's missing? If I say the ABCs, what is before B? B, C. What is it, Pujana? A. That's right. It is A. So now I can say it right. A, B, C. What is before L? When I say the ABCs, Andreas, what letter comes before L? K. You had to think about that one, didn't you? That was a little bit tricky. Okay, one more. What comes before S? Pujana, do you want to come write the letter that comes before S? You write the letter that comes before S. You got it. Good job. Thank you. R. R-S-T. Did he get it right? Yay, he got it right. Now, the next word is next. What comes next? M, N, O. That's right. Andreas. F, G. Come write the letter that comes next. What comes next after G? Take a look. Let's look at our alphabet. F, G, H. That's right. That was tricky. I almost got him, but he fixed it. And this is a tricky one. What comes next after Y? Here you go, Pujana. Let's see if you got it. You write it in there for us. There we go. You got it. Thank you. You boys are very smart. And I'm sure you in the video school, I'm sure you figured that out very quickly too. Now, are you ready to go to the ocean? I want to go to the ocean. But let's first look at some of our words to remind us what they are. And then I have some pictures to show you. Okay, here we go. What is this word?
Ocean.
Ocean. This word? Earth. Right, ocean and earth. Who made the earth?
God.
Let's say that sentence. God made the earth. Very good. There is a song that we sing sometimes. It goes like this. The song is, God made the earth. And we sing it like this, and I want you to listen. Tomorrow, maybe I will have you sing with me. So the song goes, God made the earth, God made the earth. In my Bible book it says that God made the earth. Now that's an easy song, right? So you can sing that song to help you remember who made the earth. Now, we have a new word. God made the ocean, He made the earth, but the ocean is lots of water. We already learned that. But on the ocean we have waves. Waves is when the water moves. And sometimes it moves just a little, like this. And sometimes it has big waves. And we also learned there's creatures in the ocean. Let's take a look at our slideshow over here to see how the ocean looks in real. These are pictures that I painted, but let's see how God made the ocean. All right, we're going to take a look at the slideshow right now. Oceans of water. So let's take a look to see what the ocean looks like. Can you see the ocean? It is very big, is it not? It is very, very big. And this is all water. Behind it you see some land, but the ocean has a lot of water. On the ocean, some people go fishing, and they use their boat, and they have nets, and they catch lots of fish, right, Pujana? And they sell it, and they eat the fish. There's different kinds that they eat. Now here's an ocean at night when the sun is going down. That's a lot of water. Could you drink all that water? No. We're going to learn that the water is very salty. Only special animals can live in there. Those are waves. Can you see the waves? The waves are there. And here's some more waves. They go really, really big. And we have some small waves. When the waves come, they turn color. Did you notice the water turns different colors? Sometimes it's green, sometimes it's blue. And when you go into the water and you look up, you can see the light shining. Pretty neat, hey? So here's some more waves, and you can see by the ocean there will be land, many times countries. Remember, we have some creatures by the ocean. What is this creature? A crab. Remember our famous crab that we had? It's not here today. And we have some seals swimming in the water. They like to swim in there. And people. They put on special equipment and they go under the water to see what kind of creatures they are. That's right. They're called scuba divers. And they go under the water to see fish and animals and plants. Some people go on the water with big surfboards, and they use the waves to sail on them. So they have fun doing that sometimes, but you have to be careful, right? And dolphins live in the ocean. He's under the water. And we have some more fish. These are only a few fish, but we have some fish there.
Goldfish.
And we have other fish. There's very many fish. That's right. There is different kinds of fish. That's it for today on our slideshow. All right, so the ocean has a lot of water, and we learned on day 1 that the alligator likes water, doesn't he? When I say alligator, what sound do you hear? Let's say alligator. Remember we did like this? Alligator. And the letter A, when it has a smile, it says right? And we call it the short A, says Now today, we're going to learn a new animal that has come to our classroom today to help us learn the next letter. What do you think it's going to be? What is that? That is an iguana. Iguana is an animal that looks like an alligator, but it's much smaller. An alligator can be very big, right? But an iguana is small. Some iguanas can be bigger, but this is a smaller animal. When I say iguana, what do you hear at the sound at the beginning? Say that with me. Iguana. Now that's a tricky sound. They're both green. Did you notice that? The alligator and the iguana are both green. Here we go. Iguana. Look at my face. Look at my mouth. Yeah, I'm smiling. Remember when we did Say alligator. Now say yeah. So when I say I had a big mouth like an alligator. I was ready to eat a fish. Right? Now I'm going and I want to smile. And my teeth are close together. I want you to put your hand on your mouth, and I want you to feel it. Say Check your mouth. Is it big? Now go I like the way Robbie's doing it. He's doing a good job. Yeah, Pujana's doing it great too. So this sound that is a different sound than apple. Now, there's another creature that has at the beginning, an inchworm. And so when we say it has a smile on it too. It says when this I has a So let's say iguana. iguana. Now let's say inchworm. Inchworm. Oh, one more word. It. Inchworm. Iguana. Do you hear the I sound every time I say that? Now, some words have the I sound at the beginning, like inchworm, iguana, it, but sometimes it's somewhere else. There is this creature that lives in the ocean, and it says he's a fish. Let's listen. Fish. Fish. Very good. Where's the I when I say fish? Is it at the beginning like inchworm? No. Where is it, Andreas? In the middle. In the middle. That's right. Inchworm has it at the beginning. Remember we talked about beginning and the first. That's the start. Inchworm has it at the beginning. Fish has it in the middle. Okay, there's another one. Do you know this animal?
Pig.
Pig. Now we say egg. Egg. This animal does not live in the ocean. He lives on a farm, right? Maybe you have seen a pig somewhere close to you. But this pig, when I say pig, the I is in the middle. I'm going to put him up here for us to see as well. Let's take one from here. And there we go. So I have a story. Let's listen to our story. I want you to stand up in your chair. Stand up very carefully in your chair. Stand up tall like an I, like an I. See this letter I? Stand up tall like him. We're not round. We're tall, just like the letter I. Put a big dot on top of your head. Do you look like the letter I? And you're saying I. Say I. I. That's the letter I. See, I see some nice letter I's. Very good. Now, you may have a seat. Thank you. Now, I'm going to read a story. When you hear the I sound, I want you to put your hand on your head. Can you do that? Here we go. Listen carefully. Iggy. Iggy. Oh, you caught it, Andreas. Good. Iggy. Iguana. Licked. Oh, it's right in the middle. Ice cream in an igloo. When she saw an insect ironing a mitten. There was the I. Did you hear the I in mitten? Hi, said the friendly insect. I like vanilla ice cream. I like vanilla ice cream. There was no, did you hear it I? Pujana, where did you hear the I? Which word did you hear? How about vanilla? Insect. Did you hear the letter I? Which word said I at the beginning? Apple. Well, let's take a look at insect. He was right, Pujana. Oops, insect. Here we go. Insect. That's right. It has the I sound at the beginning. Now, I have some words for you. Tell me, if it's in the beginning, put up this hand. If it's at the end, in the middle, put up this hand. Are you ready? First word. Let's do the word is. Is it at the beginning? Is. It is at the beginning. Pujana got it. How about the word big? You know, like a big ball. Big. Is it in the beginning? Big. Is it in the beginning or the middle?
Middle.
Middle. Thank you, Pujana. It's in the middle. How about the word sit? Sit. It's in the middle. Very good. How about the word into?
Start.
In is at the beginning. Very good. We start. Let's say these words. I'm seeing something. Let's say the word first.
First.
Everybody say first. First. Everybody say start.
Start.
Everybody say beginning. So these words all mean the same thing. Isn't that amazing? When you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, which number is at the beginning? Andreas. Which number is at the beginning when I look here?
1.
1. Very good. The 1 is at the beginning. You got that very quickly. Very good. All right. So we are going to learn today for our seat work. We are going to be printing the letter I, just like an insect. We already learned how to do this one, right? We go under the dotted line and we go up and we come down. On the highway, remember this road that we're traveling down is on this side, right? Let's see, where is the letter I going to be? He starts at the dotted line, but he goes straight down. Oh no! His dot went on the other side of the road. That's easy. So now you know how to print the letter A and the letter I. Let's quickly do one in the air. Let's go. Everybody put your finger up. We're going to start at the dotted line, this one right here, and we're going to go down. Oh, put your hand here. Pretend that's the bottom. See? We want to touch the bottom. Are you ready? Zoop. Dot. Did you catch the bottom? Make sure we always hit the bottom, and then we go to the top. And I think you know how to do that. You probably learned that in kindergarten, but we're just practicing. We have to let's quickly review. What sound do we hear at the beginning of apple? Ah, very good. What sound do we hear at the beginning of?
E.
Oh, do we say E? Not E. Careful. Eh. 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 Yeah, E is a different sound. So make sure we say the eh sound. Make sure we're smiling. Eh. We have a big smile when we say eh. Very good. Okay. Who made the earth?
God made the earth.
Okay, so boys and girls, when we answer a question, how do we answer a question? We always put up our hand, right? Because if there was a lot of you talking, the teacher cannot hear you. So make sure you always raise your hand. So when I ask a question, who made the earth? Where does your hand go? If you know the answer, that tells me, oh, Andreas knows the answer. So I'm going to let Andreas answer. So let's try it again. Who made the earth? Andreas? God made the earth. Very good. We have a song for this letter A, for the A sound. And it goes like this. The song says, where is short A? And I think you boys might know this song. So listen first, and then we can sing it again. Okay? You can sing it with me. Where is short A? Where is short A? Ah, 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 ah. Alligator, apple, alligator, apple. ah, 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 ah. You want to try it? Let's try it together. Where is short A? Where is short A? Ah, 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 ah. Alligator, apple, alligator, ant. Ah, 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 ah. Now, we did the ah sound. Do you think there's a song for the I sound? Let's try it. Where is short I? Where is short I? Where is short I? I, 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 I. Iguana, inchworm, iguana, it, I, 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 I. I see, that's a hard sound, isn't that? I sound is very hard, isn't it? Is it a little bit hard? Yeah? Okay. Well, boys and girls, you have worked very hard today. And we are going to do some work today. The first thing that we're going to do, remember this work that we did on the board like this? I have a page for you. So you can fill in the letter that comes first over here, and you're going to write the letter that comes next. Remember the letter that comes first or before, and the letter that comes next. That is your seat work for today, and I have another page for you. You see our lovely iguana up here? Well, might not be lovely to you, but our iguana, I'm going to let you take a picture home and let you color it and put it somewhere to help you to remember how to say the I sound. So you should have a alligator, iguana. You should have two sounds at home to help you practice. Make sure you, let's try it. Iguana. Let's try it again. Iguana. Make sure that's the sound that you say. And I have something more for you to do. We've been learning how to do the letter I, and I have some letter I. So here, you're number 1, you're going to print the letter I. Number 2, you're going to print the letter A to help you remember. And then I have I, A, and then I have I, A, A. And then down here, you can write your name. So I'm letting you do some more work today because today is day 2. And up here is a box. What do you do with a box?
We draw some pictures of I.
Yes. So you can draw a picture that says I. It can be iguana. It can be inchworm. And fish has it in the middle. So you can draw fish. You can draw a pig. Pig has it in the middle. And 6. That's right. If you see a word that says I, I'm going to let you draw it in there, okay? And this is for you to help you remember and get your practice, because we're going to be learning how to write words and how to spell words and how to make sentences and how to read words. Very good. Thank you very much for coming and joining us today. We will see you tomorrow or day 3. Bye.